Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and this price analysis update on Harmony 1. We'll take a look at the asset in both the USDT and the BTC pairings and identify a few key levels, so where we could potentially invest and where we could look to either take profit or accumulate. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome to the channel. This is a Harmony 1 price analysis update, and we'll take a look at several pairs and several different time frames. So this is currently the daily time frame. This is the tether pair on Binance, and we have got what is pretty much a bull flag here. We've got the lower support of this flag here, which is using a support. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks within that and bounced up as support, and that's very close to that 20-cent mark, which is also a psychological area of support. And then with this higher level here, which we've wicked there and wicked here, so that confirms that is pretty much a bull flag, and we are just waiting for that breakout. I did say that we are up 7% today's trading, which is quite a significant amount. But what I want to do is just have a look at a few key levels where we could potentially invest, and I want to look at this entire move here from the bottom to the top, and we'll look from, well, which is a key area of support down there at 11 cent, and we'll look at some key levels where we could invest. This is the area here, 20 cent. It's fundamentally a psychological area where if people are seeing a price up here, they think, right, I don't want it at 26, I want it at 20 cent, and that's where they'll place their orders. And as you can see, every time we wick down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks, it's 21 cent, 5 wicks there, have hit that 20 cent region, which is bang on that 382 Fibonacci level, and it's bounced straight away. So it just shows there's a lot of liquidity there. And look at this region here, is where we rejected. So that is a key area as well. So we rejected from there, use this massive area of support, and now we're pushing up, and we are towards the top of this bull flag, and I'm expecting a breakout, to be honest. And if we do break out of there, let's just have a look on weekly time frame, see what's going on here. Yeah, that's the all-time highs that we did create there. So let's move that line up. The red line up there, I presume, is my next target. So what I'm going to do first is drop back down to 4 hour and have a look at a couple of targets to take profit at, because profit is king. We can't get away from that. And we'll look at the move from here to here. And the first target, if you're looking to take some profit, is 29 cent, not 30 cent. 30 cent will fail. 30 cent is another psychological area where the price will reject from that region. So if you're looking to take some profit, the first area I would consider is around 29 cents. So from current prices on this here, there it's another 27% move. So it's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to wake up tomorrow and be 27% up. Might take a while, but we will break out there, and that is the first area to take profit. We've obviously got the all-time high here, which will be a tough nut to crack. But once we do break out that all-time high, I think 29 cent will be a key area. So that's the areas to buy and the areas to look at to accumulate to take profit. But what I'm more interested in is the areas where we could look to do a bit of a price prediction, because this is what this video is mainly about, looking for higher levels. So we'll put a price Fibonacci on from here. We'll do a full retracement. So we drop down, we tapped at bottom, we did a full retracement, rejected off it twice, dropped back down to 618 level, and then bang, up to new all-time highs. The next few levels we can target, I've obviously got this one marked up here. The 2.272 level for me is a fundamentally key area where I think it always seems to attract to price action. So that is the first level there. I would consider taking some profit off after. Well, if you're looking at price prediction, you're thinking, right, I've got a big bag here. I want to offload a major bit of profit. 44 cent is that region. A lot of people are talking about $1. Well, why can't it happen? Why can not $1 happen? In terms of a price from currently $1, we are, let's call that 300%. I think 300% is going to be a decent area to target. And look at this. I want to drop back down to a daily here. We'll go to 3D actually. We had a massive cup and handle breakout already, so that shows that as a bullish sign as well. If you look at this, that's the top. That's the top there. Drop it down. Huge cup, and then we had the handle here. That was a handle. Huge breakout to the upside. Now we are creating a bull flag, and that to me gives a good signal that we are going to pump again. And not just Harmony One, I think the rest of the market is going to pump as well, because it just seems to be gearing up and gearing up. What happens is Bitcoin initially leads a party, and I'm not talking about the full market cycle, but I'm talking about the way the market moves. Bitcoin will pump, Ethereum will pump, alts will pump, and then it will reset and it will go again, and then over the probably the next 3 months, you're going to see major raises from Bitcoin, while the other assets lag behind. But eventually, potentially around December, late December, that's when the Bitcoin dominance will start to top, spin round, and the rest of the altcoins perform very, very well. So for me, buying at these levels is great. This will, in my opinion, hit $1 at some stage. So that's that. Well, that's that pair covered. What I want to take a look at quickly before we jump into BTC pairing is my Patreon. This is it's a private Discord server where we have a hell of a lot going on. I'll just show you now, in fact. This is a Discord server which I'll drag across. Lots of things going on. These are all locked, so once you join your Patreon, they will be unlocked. Crypto chat, trading, this is where you can get chats at your request. Bitcoin price analysis, open trades that I'm currently in. I talk about my portfolio, and if you want me to check out your portfolio and give you a bit of advice, I can do that. Anything you want going on, if you're interested in mining, we've also got on there. We've got Kareem, who's massive into mining, and then we have lots of just random things in there. But education is the key in this. I've got a lot of lessons and tutorials and articles. If you're new to crypto, if you've been in crypto for a while, either or, and you're wanting to learn, I've got a lot of advice to give, and my 5 years experience in crypto can definitely help you position yourself better in cryptocurrency. So that's my Patreon. We'll find that link in the pinned comment in the description. Just finishing off this video, I want to take a look at BTC pairing, which in my opinion is being a little bit indecisive, hasn't it? I mean, the wicks are up and down, and it's hard to understand what's actually going on here. We kind of had a cup and handle here, we handle there and a breakout to the upside, but I mentioned before, Bitcoin dominance is going to start to push up soon, and if that does happen, the Satoshi pairs in altcoins will drop. And if you're looking for buys, I've got this region marked up here. Well, I'll just remark up again. See here, that is a key area of support. It's that where we started the next pump, it's a support area there, and if you drag it all the way through, it's a resistance area there too. And look at that, resistance, support all the way through. So that's a fundamentally key area. That is where I would consider buys at around 287 to around 300 sats. I think it's a nice level where you could potentially place some orders there for a Harmony One and a Bitcoin pair. And then if we do start pumping, I've already got a first target max up there, which is first one at 500 sats. I think once we do break 500 sats, the market will start to really push on, and we'll start to see some significant gains across altcoins and Harmony One. So that's going to do it for this quick fire analysis today. Just some key levels for you to monitor, and some key levels if you're looking to buy or sell Harmony One. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.